In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add two photos in your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then swipe to the right to activate story camera. There we can just hit right here at these two characters icon to create a story with colored background. We can then just stop at that circle to change the color of our background, just like that. And all we have to do now in order to add a photo to that story is just tap at the very top at stickers icon, and then we can scroll down, and here we need to search for this sticker with the kind of photo icon on it. I can just tap on it, and what that will do, that will bring up my camera roll, and from here I can choose any photo from my phone's gallery. I can just tap at that photo, and then I can resize it by pinching. I can also rotate it, and then I can move it around and place somewhere at the screen, just like that. And then all I have to do in order to end the second photo here is just get in the stickers, then tap at that sticker, and then in the same way I can select another photo, and also I can resize it, I can move it around, and also by tapping at a photo we can change the shape of this photo, so we can continue doing it to change the shape if we would like to change it. And guys, now you know how you can easily add two or more photos in your Instagram story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.